No, Mum. Yes, Mum. Okay, Mum. Not now, Mum. I'm busy. Today, family. London to Edinburgh. 3 people. £100. 5 days. This is the London to Edinburgh Challenge! Today, Fran meets a friend.
How are you?
Good.
You?
Oh, I like these family pictures. Wow, is that your brother?
Yes. He's a doctor.
Oh, look. Here's my brother. He's a doctor too. How's your sister?
She's good. She has a son and a daughter.
Oh, how are your parents?
My mum and dad are good. How are your parents?
Here's my mum and dad.
Oh.
They're very good.
But how are you?
I need to go to Edinburgh, but I want to stop. It's so difficult. I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Here. Take this map of Edinburgh. Take this money. You can do it.
Fran, so, Edinburgh, can you still do it?
Yes, I can. I can do this. Edinburgh, let's do it.
So, Fran meets a friend.
Here's my brother. How's your sister?
She's good. She has a son. And a daughter.
How are your parents?
Next time on the London to Edinburgh Challenge.